breach of privilege motion may be brought against Congress leader Renuka Chaudhary in the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha is considering a breach of privilege motion on the grounds of a security violation in the upper house of the parliament. The ruling party had objected to Renuka Chaudhary bringing her dog into parliament and also to the statements that she made afterwards. These are you can see how Renuka Chaudhary got her dog inside the parliamentary premises. On the left side, she is speaking about this particular action, trying to justify this move that she did. We'll bring you more details with regards to the decision against Congress leader Renuka Chaudhary in the Rajya Sabha. But as of now, the big update coming in straight from the upper house of the parliament is of the information that a breach of privilege motion may be brought against Congress leader Renuka Chaudhary as she got her dog inside parliament and also for the controversial statements that she made afterwards. My colleague Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary is joining us live here on the broadcast to provide us more details on that. Sabyasachi, first up, let's surprise our viewers with regards to these controversial remarks that she made after she got her dog inside parliamentary premises.
Well, that's right, Sakshi. Renuka Chaudhary, the Rajya Sabha member of parliament from the Congress party, made a shocking remark when she said that the real dogs are sitting inside the parliament and they are the ones who bite people regularly. Now, post that, there has been outrage which could be seen from the member of parliaments from the BJP. In fact, the BJP member of parliament have been demanding that strict action needs to be taken against Renuka Chaudhary, and that is the reason why the Rajya Sabha right now is thinking about moving a privilege motion against Renuka Chaudhary. The Rajya Sabha thinks that the statement that has been given by her is derogatory in nature. In fact, we had seen that time and again the Congress member of parliament, including the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, have extended their support to Renuka Gandhi. In fact, when the question was being asked to Mr. Rahul Gandhi about what is his reaction regarding Renuka Chaudhary bringing a pet dog to the premises of the parliament, and Rahul Gandhi says that that dogs are not allowed inside the outside the parliament, but dogs are allowed inside the parliament. Now, this has also started another controversy, which the BJP hitting out that the Congress member of parliament and leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is comparing the opposition leaders and his own congressmen to dogs, and this is what the Gandhi Parivar thinks about the temple of democracy. Now, the war of words is only increasing between the opposition and the central government, and the BJP member of parliaments have been demanding that strict action needs to be taken against Renuka Chaudhary, and time and again she has given a clarification. She has told that she found the dog on the street while she was heading to the parliament. When there was an accident, she found the puppy, and after that she took her. Now, the Rajya Sabha thinks that the statement that has been made by her regarding that the real dogs are inside the parliament and they are the ones who bite people regularly, the Rajya Sabha thinks strongly that it is a derogatory remark given by Renuka Chaudhary, and that is the reason why action needs to be taken against her, and that is the reason why the Rajya Sabha is thinking of moving a privilege motion against her.
All right, we'll continue to track more updates coming in on that story and, of course, the other parliamentary updates coming in straight from there. Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us and providing us more context.